In this small tutorial, we will learn how to use the floor tiles filter. To use the floor tiles filter, you need first to drag and drop a material into your layer stack. Here, we drag and dropped a marble material. Then you can click on Add a Layer and search for Floor Tiles and click on the Floor Tiles filter. By default, the filter will create some square tiles on your material. You can tweak the size of your material inside of the tiles with the material scale parameter. Also, you can change the rotation mode here to randomized, but you can also align your marble and rotate it, alternate it, or swirl it. We can then go into the pattern section and change the pattern we want to map. We are in grid tiles, but you can also use brickwork, upscotch tiles, or herringbone tiles. If we want to push a bit more the filter, we can also zoom on the gaps and go into the gaps section. And here you can change the size of your gaps and the height. You can emboss it. Also, you can change the bevels to round medium, and even bevels like that. If we want to tweak even more our floor tiles, what we can do is add another material into your layer stack. Here we will add a new resource on the drag and drop material here. The filter will split the pattern and assign different material into the pattern. Now I can also change the distribution mode to structure and do some variation, or randomized to do other type of variation. You'll see that the floor tiles filter will come in handy when you want to create environments, spaces, or architectural floors like this one.